Greetings everyone. I trust you're all well. Today is a big day. It's a big day in the markets. We're gonna see spikes. You're gonna see volatility in the markets as today it's the news day. USD news, USD CPI. Right? We have core CPI event today at 2:30 South African Standard Time. Right? And this is Wednesday. And this is all happening on Wednesday, the 12th of June. At 8 a.m. we're gonna have GDP news. I think I'm going to trade it. And then we're gonna have core CPI at 2:30, then at 8 p.m. at night we have federal interest rates decision. So it's gonna be an action-packed day. Let's go into the charts. So guys, as you continue, currently I'm looking at the USD index, the dollar index. We're looking at the dollar index, right? So we can see that on the dollar index we have a strong trend to the upside, right? We've been having a strong trend to the upside for quite some time now. This candle right here, it's a candle from the NFP, right? The big spike of NFP. We have that candle. So price broke out. We had a double touch, resistance. Price broke out of that trend, created a low, found support, and went back up. And currently we are on this resistance zone, supply zone. So it is not decided. Some traders, they are going to enter after the event. Some traders are going to enter before the event, but the actual will only come out after the event. So that's when you'll get full clarity. So you can wait and trade afterwards. If price breaks out of this supply zone, you can look for a further impulsive move and a pullback, or even an impulse out of the zone and a pullback continuation. If price fails to break there, we see price dropping down. You could see price breaking and then wait for a pullback and then take your sell orders. This is how I'm seeing it. And now continuing on the USDJPY. On the USDJPY, we can see that we have a strong uptrend that has been going on for quite some time. You can see out of this trend, price broke out of that resistance, continued. We had a touch there, second touch, and price came in for a third touch, but eventually broke out, right? So the trend changed according to those theory. We've seen a price impulsing to the downside, coming back up, and we call this area a consolidation. From there, we see you get a low, and then this spike, this candlestick here, the big one, the bullish candle was the NFP candle. You get an impulse pullback and a pin bar candlestick, right? So currently we've been consolidating at resistance. So there's nothing I can say because the actual number is not out, as I said, on the dollar index. So if price breaks out of this zone, we look for potential buys and a pullback, then we continue. But if it breaks below the demand zone, then we sell. You can set up sell stops and buy stop on this one. Now on to the Euro USD on the 4-hour time frame. On the Euro USD, we've seen that the Euro USD as well has been on an uptrend for some time now, but eventually since NFP, price changed the direction, right? You can see price change direction as we got. This is a candlestick from NFP, an impulse price broke out. There were sellers here, price broke out of the trend and found support. So currently we're at a support zone. We might, if price continues and close below the demand zone, we are going to sell and look for more sell orders opportunities. If it closes above and we get a positive number on the CPI that we can buy, then we'll see price going up. That's when we take orders of buys. And here, if price breaks out, we're looking to take other buy orders, continuing with the trend. Now, on the GBP USD, we can see that the GBP is still on the uptrend, respecting this trend line support zone, but also on the supply zone, demand zone, the horizontal, the rectangle, right? The demand zone, also known as support. We see the price is finding support, and it's hard for it to go down. But however, there's nothing that we can do currently. Just have to wait for price to break resistance and or break support, right? And now on everyone's favorite, we have the gold, right? Gold on the around mid-May was on a bullish trend. Eventually it broke out of the support trend line and giving us a channel. Then this is the NFP candlestick right there. Actually, it's somewhere there, but gold retraced from there and sold. That's an impulsive move, breaking down the low. So according to those theory, when the market breaks the previous low, it's a change of direction. So it might be that it's consolidate, pulling back to retest this zone, and from there we are going to drop. But however, there's nothing we can do. We'll have to wait for the news and see what happens. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you really enjoyed this video, make sure you like and comment and subscribe to this video if you're new. Let's trade NFP carefully. There's going to be some big moves and volatility. Cheers.